I'm camped out on the top of the Pyrenees State Forest, just west of Oka, and this will be a separate video to the actual campsite. But as usual with me and everything I do when building is I've had a couple more add-ons to my trailer. One of the first ones, and I will do an in-depth review of it as I get more time spent on it. I only bought it 2 days ago, I think. This is the Brass Monkey fridge from J-Car. So I wanted to get just a slightly bigger fridge, and I went and had a look at one at Autobarn from Rough Country, and it was a 17 litre one, but geez, it was over $400, and it just didn't seem to be much point in it. I had looked at these at J-Car before, and I must admit I'm skeptical with it because it was $200, $199. It's a 15 litre fridge, but so far I've been really impressed with it. So I have, this here is the lid that comes up, and there we go, 15 litres, but I have on order a 20 litre lid. What does that mean? Well, this lid here pops out, and then you put on a lid that comes up a tad higher, and you can increase the capacity to 20 litres. So I've got two fridges in one, so when I go camping I can actually, when I first start camping I can fill it up, and as time goes by and the contents get lower I can swap the lids out. Like I said, I'll do an in-depth review on it once I've run it for a length of time. I've also bought the Spinifex fridge stand to get it to a working height. That seems to be working quite well. Another thing that I've put in here, this here is just a little tray that I used to have sliding in and out of there, so I'd take it in and out as need be, and it just holds bits and pieces, toilet paper, lighter fluid, canola oil, screw in tent pegs, my toothbrush. But when I had it in there, it used to just be a pain in the butt. So what I've done is I've got some I've got some drawer slides, and I've screwed them there. Now they're not the right way that they should be mounted. These ones are mounted flat, so they're not designed to be like that because the load comes onto the side of it. But this here doesn't carry a lot of weight, so it worked perfectly, and it just slides in and out of there perfectly and holds everything in. So I don't have to take it out when I don't want it and it's getting in the road. I can just push it back in and it stays out of things. So really liking that. And the other add-on that I've done is I've removed the jack from underneath, not the jack, the caravan stay from underneath the scissor lift one, and I've replaced it with these two direct ones. The reason I did that, well, I did have I did have the idea that I was going to just jack the trailer up, and I didn't have to use a caravan leveler underneath the wheels, but I don't think that's going to work because it I don't think the trailer is designed to be pushed up on that point and the front. I think it's just not built for that. It needs to have its wheels on the ground, but I'm still happy with them. They're quick and easy to get in and out, and I don't have the problem of having it underneath and having to get underneath the trailer to put the jacks down. I can just wind it down. I can have it in that position, I can have it straight up, or I can have it on that position. So seems to be working quite well. Another add-on there, just a quick and simple one, is I've put my hammer on the outside. That's there to bang the tent pegs in, and these little wheel chocks here, these little folding wheel chocks, I slot them in there. Now the reason I've done all those things is because now I can set up my tent, I can set up everything. I actually don't have to lift up the tent. I can just do everything set up before I lift it up. Probably a little bit picky, but you know, I like tinkering around with my projects. So, oh yeah, one more thing. This here is my snorkel that I add to pressurise the back to keep the dust out. Well, since I bought the Mazda, it used to be down here lower, and that wasn't working. It was filling up with dust. So I've put it up higher, and I'm hoping that that does it. I don't know whether it is yet, but if that doesn't work, I found at JCar that it is a 90mm computer fan, so I actually might put a fan in there to pressurise it all the time. So it might be another project coming up. Anyway, that's the extent of the add-ons that I've put onto the trailer at this stage. I'm sure there's going to be more and more. I just love tinkering with these things. So anyway, that's it for this video. If you like this kind of stuff and you like my videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.